Three political parties on Monday held an election campaign at Kynshi village, Mauthat Rishan constituency. All official members from these political parties, which include the Indian National Congress, the National People's Party and the Voice of the People Party, came to seek support from the people for their MP candidates and urged the people to cast their votes on their respective candidates.
Kan saya lagi kesukaan kebahagiaan untuk indah Pak William yang sudah itu kebakut bersama.
Yang seperti dekat donor bersama red pak bersama bang yang ini kapang yang dan kapor bangin papi ini kilo kita yang sisa bangin syak ben kami kecingwan cuba kan nama bun kecingwan pe kan bun.
The National People's Party